Well, howdy everybody, and had a fun little AR3500 project here. This just needed a tune-up. Everything seemed to be pretty good with it. Buttons got replaced, but otherwise it worked good, 100 watts out. This was the big thing. This is a very rare microphone for this radio. So the microphone cable was all screwed up, and it was about maybe, I don't know, 4 inches or so. It was crazy. So I put a new 2-foot long cable on it, and the buttons were all messed up, looked terrible. So I 3D printed some up and down buttons, painted them, and left the PTT bar. And as you can tell, down goes down, up goes up, and it really works nice. It's a neat little microphone for this radio. So yeah, and it's 2 foot, so you can kind of get it away from the radio, but not long enough to have a problem with shielding, although this is a shielded cable. I never use the cheap Amazon mic cables because they're not shielded. These are shielded. So it makes a really good mic cable. Okay, everybody, this one is for James, and I hope you're going to be on the air soon and I can hear what this thing sounds like on the air. Thanks. See you all later.